Hello friends, I am here today with a tutorial of making a delicious biscuit with jelly powder that is very easy to make. So stay with me through the whole video and hope you enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: egg yolks 1 number, sugar powder 3 tablespoons, vanilla half of a teaspoon, baking powder half of a teaspoon, butter 80 grams, jelly powder 100 grams, flour 1 glass. Well, if you want to bake these biscuits on gas, first turn on the gas flame and turn it down and then put the flame spreader on it. Now I put the frying pan on the flame spreader and close the lid to warm it up. If you use an oven, turn it on and set it at 180 degrees Celsius. Now I pour the jelly powder into the blender. I add sugar powder to it. I turn on the blender and wait until the ingredients mix and grind well. Now I add vanilla, egg yolk, and softened butter to the mixture and push a pulse button on the blender a few times to mix them well. Now I add flour and baking powder. Mix the ingredients again. Now it's time to move our mixture to the board. At this stage, knead the ingredients a little with your fingers to reach a soft and cohesive dough. Do not knead the ingredients too much because this will spoil the biscuit dough. From this dough, we make 8 balls of the same size. Of course, you can make bigger or smaller biscuits yourself. Now I spread the dough balls on greaseproof paper. These are the biscuits that are ready to bake. If you put your biscuits in the oven, it takes 10 to 15 minutes for the biscuits to be ready. But if you are baking this in a frying pan, 15 to 20 minutes is enough for the biscuits to be ready. I hope that you bake these attractive biscuits. It's easy and delicious and you can make them with any jelly flavor you like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again!